Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix low call volume in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, this is your call volume. First button is high volume, second is low volume. So you can increase or decrease volume from here. So if it's not working, so click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on sound and habits. Now here you will see, you can increase or decrease from here. If it's not working, so click the power button and volume down button. So power off the phone. After the restarting, enter your phone password. You will check your call volume is working. If it's not working, so click on settings. Now here click on general. Now here click on software update. Now here you will check your software update is latest version. If it not latest version, so click on so you will update software latest. Go back. So that's how you can fix low call volume in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.